Can we see who viewed our public profile on Snapchat? Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn if we can see who viewed our public profile in Snapchat. So let's just dive right into the video and find out if we can do that or not. So for that, you can directly open up your Snapchat first, and once you've opened it up, at the top left corner of your screen, you should be finding your profile. You can tap on it to open up your profile page. So once you are here, you should be finding your account and your public profile. So you can directly head over to your public profile by tapping on it, and when you head over, you should be finding stories, spotlight, and insights. So usually when we head over to insight section, we will be finding the profile views here. So if somebody has viewed your profile, you should be finding a number count here under profile views along with the total followers. So unfortunately, it doesn't let us know who viewed our profile with the name itself, but it lets us know the count of the profile views. So all you need to do is follow the steps in order to view that. So for now, this is the method you can apply up. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.